What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cam from the KTA KITCHEN. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we're gonna be making mayonnaise without using a blender. We are just going to be using a whisk and the ingredients. So let's see if it comes out perfect. So before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications on. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, and if you're not a subscriber, thank you. So let's see what happens after the intro.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room.
So the ingredients we're gonna include vegetable oil or cooking oil, salt, lemon juice, and an egg. Plus an egg whisk is what we're going to use to whisk the mayonnaise. So we're gonna break a whole egg into a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then we are going to add in a teaspoon of salt for taste. And we're going to begin whisking. We're going to whisk until all the egg mixes with the lemon juice and the salt. So when we're mixing, then we are going to add in vegetable oil and begin whisking again. Whisk for 20 minutes till you see it is becoming lighter. So we are going to add in some more vegetable oil after 20 minutes. Add in some lemon juice and then add in vegetable oil and continue whisking. As you see, it is beginning to change color. The oil is becoming more lighter. Yeah, see, it is becoming white and no more yellowish. So this is how you know it is becoming ready. So continue whisking until you get a perfect consistency. So add in some little bit of cooking oil and continue whisking. As you could see, the mixture is still light, still watery, so we're going to whisk with some more energy until it thickens. You see it is thickened, and this is how you know it is ready to stop whisking and for consumption. So whisk for some little bit of time and then stop. Take your mixture for consumption or whatever you want to use it for. If you are new to this channel, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications on, comment down below what